Once upon a time, in a city where broken hearts were symbolized by clocks that had stopped ticking, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily was a sweet and kind-hearted girl who had a passion for helping others. She loved to wander the streets of the city, admiring the intricate clocks that adorned the buildings, each one representing a lost love or a shattered heart. One day, as Lily was walking through the bustling city square, she stumbled upon a small clock repair shop tucked away in a quiet alley. Curious, she peeked inside and saw a mysterious man hunched over a broken clock, his nimble fingers working away with precision. The man was the city's renowned clockmaker, known for his ability to restore forgotten loves and mend shattered hearts. His name was Felix, and he had dedicated his life to repairing the broken clocks that littered the city, hoping to bring healing and closure to those who had suffered heartbreak. Mesmerized by Felix's skill and dedication, Lily found herself drawn to the clockmaker and his work. She decided to offer her help in repairing the broken clocks, eager to learn from the talented man and make a difference in the lives of the city's inhabitants. As days turned into weeks, Lily and Felix spent countless hours together in the clock repair shop, working side by side to restore the broken clocks. With each tick-tock of a newly repaired clock, Lily could feel the healing power of love and forgiveness spreading throughout the city. One day, as Lily was rummaging through a pile of broken clocks, she stumbled upon a small, delicate clock that looked oddly familiar. As she examined it closer, she realized with a shock that it was her own broken heart clock, the one that had stopped ticking long ago when she had suffered a devastating heartbreak. Torn between her growing feelings for Felix and the fear of having her heart repaired, Lily hesitated to tell him about her broken clock, but Felix, sensing her inner turmoil, gently took her hands in his and looked into her eyes with compassion and understanding. "Lily, my dear, I have known all along about your broken clock," Felix said softly. "I have been waiting for you to realize that the love we share is not just another repair, but something truly special and real." Overwhelmed with emotion, Lily felt a wave of love and gratitude wash over her. She knew in her heart that Felix was right. Their love was genuine and deep, and it was worth taking a chance on. With trembling hands, Lily handed her broken clock to Felix, trusting him to mend her shattered heart and bring it back to life. As Felix worked his magic on the clock, a warm glow enveloped them, filling the room with a sense of peace and healing. And as the repaired clock began to tick once more, Lily felt a rush of joy and love welling up inside her. She knew that with Felix by her side, she would never have to worry about her heart breaking again. Their love was as strong as the hands of time, unbreakable and eternal. From that day on, Lily and Felix continued to work together in the clock repair shop, bringing healing and hope to the broken hearts of the city. And as they walked hand in hand through the twinkling streets, the sound of ticking clocks filled the air, a reminder of the power of love to mend even the most shattered hearts. And so, in a city where every broken heart was represented by a clock that had stopped ticking, Lily and Felix's love story was the most beautiful and enduring of them all. For their love was not just another repair, but a true and everlasting bond that would stand the test of time. Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.